Hi, this is Vinny with another unboxing. So this is the first unboxing I'm going to do, and this is for the Padlock Puzzle by Hanayama, and this is what you get. You get a box like this, and this padlock is out of 6. This is a level of 5, so this is quite a heavy duty puzzle to do, and you get this lovely box with the padlock. So what you have to do, it's in this formation and you have to disassemble it and then assemble it again. Let's have a look what's in the box. So we open it up and we have some instructions. I'll put this card to one side. I don't know what these are. This is just some information about the padlock, I think. We've got the padlock itself. We've also got a little booklet which shows the other various padlocks that you can buy. And this one calls it a Puzzle. The next one I think I might try is this Cast Duet, which looks quite nice. And there they are. So they all start from little nice easy ones and they go all the way up to super duper mega hard. And the padlock one is it's on a level 5, so they go up to Grandmaster. So that's the kind of levels that they have. So it's fun, easy, normal, hard, expert, Grandmaster. So this is an expert one. And what you do is you get it in this little package and you take it apart out of the packaging. You have this kind of padlock puzzle. It looks like it's in 4 pieces, so you've got 2 bits here in the center that move. You have these 2 outer rings. I'm not going to show you how to solve this, I'm just going to have a quick go at looking at it. Really good quality. It feels like it's going to last a while. Looks like this might do something. I think I might have just accidentally solved the part of it. So this is it, and I think you've got to somehow take these sections all apart and then put it back together again. So that is the Hanayama padlock puzzle. Looks really good. I'm looking forward to getting on with this, and hopefully I'll be able to put a solution up soon. Thank you.